Okay, so I got it on 10-cent Denom, playing 20 credits times 3, so a $6 bet. Let's see how we go. Please be nice. That's what they're up to. Not just what I'm betting. It's just me. I want another one of those. Or something from up there. Come on, give me something from up here, baby. Please. I want another one of those. Oh. Please. Oh well. Okay, 198. Not fantastic, but better than nothing. Should have been so much better. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, let's see how we go. 10-cent Denom, 250 back. Come on, be nice. Alright, that's not bad. It would have been better if I had something that came all the way across to there. I'm just going to let it ring up. Just fast forward. That's what they're up to. Just hoping the next spin will give me the coins or something that goes all the way across. Keep bringing up, honey. Love it when you do that. God, it would have been fantastic if he'd been here. Coins, 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 coins. Oh well. Alright, still not bad. $118.60. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so the very next spin, I got it. Okay, it's not too bad. But they don't, these ones haven't been, well, come on, 2 more. Yes! That's the first time that I've gotten that today. Well, in the free spins. Come on, drop that major, please, baby, please. I want to hear that dunk that it does when it drops the major. Come on, baby. Thank you. Keep it going, honey. Oh, I think there was there was much bigger ones going by. Thank you. It's something big. Come on, honey. Alright. But I'm still in the free games. 64 bucks. Keeps me going. Okay. I'll be back. Alright, let's see how we go. 10 cent Denom, 250 bit. I'd like to thank my subscribers for getting me to a bit over 800 subs. So thank you guys. I try to bring you good content. Come on, baby, keep going. Come on. Oh, nice. Okay. More like that, please. Anything from up there. Oh well. Alright, 55 bucks keeps me going. Alright, I'll be back. Alright. That's what they're up to. Okay, I'd just like to thank all my subscribers for getting me to 800. Thank you guys for watching. I try to bring you good content. Oh, thank you. Come on. Please give me something from up there. No, come on, don't be a mean one. Oh, I think that was the 250 one. Oh, it's only about $37. It keeps me going. Okay. Better than nothing. Alright, I'll be back. Nice little hit on 10 cent Denom. 33 bucks, okay.